Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you are tired of spending hours over a hot stove or dealing with soggy, unevenly cooked vegetables, you might want to pay close attention to this. Today we are looking at the Buydeem G67US-A503 electric food steamer. This is not just your average plastic steaming basket. It is a powerful, high-capacity, and aesthetically pleasing piece of kitchen hardware that promises to change how you approach healthy cooking. Let us start with the performance. This machine packs a serious punch with 1,500 watts of power. In my testing, it produces high-quality steam in just 60 seconds, which is incredibly impressive. You get 2 tiers of stainless steel space right out of the box, offering a total of 14 quarts of capacity. Whether you are steaming a large turbot or preparing dozens of dumplings for a family dinner, this unit handles the volume with ease. What makes this unit stand out is the versatility. It comes with 6 pre-programmed functions including settings for eggs, meat, seafood, vegetables, and grains. There is also a manual mode which is perfect for more creative dishes like pasta or chicken rolls. One of my favorite features is the ability to stew and steam simultaneously. You can put your soup in the bottom and steam your vegetables on top, making this a legitimate all-in-one meal station. The design team at Buydeem clearly put a lot of thought into the user experience. The high arch lid ensures that condensation does not drip back onto your food, which is a major win for texture. It also features an external water-filling spout, so you do not have to lift the heavy lid and lose all that precious steam just to top off the water. The water level window is enlarged, making it easy to see when it is time for a refill. Speaking of safety, the unit includes dual protection. It will pause and alert you if the water is low, and it has an automatic shut-off feature to prevent dry burning. Let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is top tier, using food-grade stainless steel and baby-grade materials. The 18-hour preset timer and the 6-hour warm function are absolute game-changers for busy people who want dinner ready the moment they walk through the door. The cleanup is also surprisingly easy, especially with that enlarged sauce tray. The only potential downside is that the third steaming rack is sold separately, so if you are feeding a massive crowd, you will need to invest in that extra piece. Also, at 1,500 watts, you will want to make sure your kitchen outlet is ready to handle the load. To wrap things up, the Buydeem electric steamer is a fantastic investment for anyone focused on healthy, efficient, and stress-free cooking. It bridges the gap between high-end professional equipment and user-friendly home appliances perfectly. If you are looking to elevate your meal prep routine, this is a serious contender. Link in the description.